and filled with everything you love. I wish that this year will treat you well and better. I wish na you will have the chance to do lahat ng gusto mo this year. And I hope you know how much you are loved by the people around you. Yan. Happy birthday.
Wow! Nape-pressure si KL English Pressure ako na.
To my sweet little sister, from the day you came into my life, my heart has been overflowing with love, joy, and unbreakable bond that time and distance can never change. Your presence is a gift that I cherish deeply, and I am endlessly grateful for the privilege of being your big sister. You're my confidant and the only one who looks up with me with the purest heart. As you continue on your journey, please know that my love for you is unwavering, and I am here to guide you, to support you, and to stand by your side even in times of need, in times where mom and dad are busy, and I am honored to be a part of your journey. No matter where life path takes, please remember that my love for you is boundless, and I'm truly blessed to have you in my life. Happy birthday, A.
Happy 7th birthday, A. Ang bilis ng panahon, 7 years old ka na. Sana maging super saya ang birthday mo today. You deserve all the happiness in the world kasi sobrang sweet, smart, and ang kulit mong bata. I'm so proud of you and I can't wait to see kung anong amazing things pa ang magagawa mo this year. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and lots of fun with your friends and family. Keep being awesome and always remember na I'm here for you. Enjoy your special day, A. Love, Ate K.
Okay, next. Ariana.
Bakit parang
Happy 7th birthday, my sweet little sister. I can't believe how much you've grown and how many wonderful things you've already accomplished. You bring so much joy, laughter, and love into my life every day, and I'm so proud of you. I hope today is as special as you are, filled with cakes, presents, and all the fun you can handle. Remember, you're never too small to dream big, and I'll always be here cheering you on. Keep being the amazing, funny, and kind person you are. I love you more than words can say, and I can't wait to make more memories with you as we grow.
Thank you so much, Ariana, and followed by Kayomi.
Okay.
Sinulat ko na happy birthday naman po. Bless you.
Nung namatay yung mama.
Palaman natin si Ate Kayomi. And now, followed by Kuya Justin.
Happy 7th birthday, alam naman natin na special na tong araw mo kasi kasama mo yung parents mo and your family and also your loved ones. And ikaw yung pinakamainhin na batang kilala ko, and alam kong matalino ka and malayo maabot mo. And yun lang. Love you.
At last to complete for these 7 letters, Kuya KM.
Happy birthday, happy 7th birthday. Ayun, hindi mo man ako masyado kilala kasi nga malayo ako. Pero ito, on the spot to kasi gusto ko galing sa puso. So, happy birthday, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. Sana magabayan din nila lola mo, na magstay ka sa church nyo, na lumaki kang mabuti, ganyan, na sana ikaw nga yung nakilala namin na talagang mainhin. Ikaw yung, sa magpipinsan, ikaw talaga yung pinakamabait. The rest, wala na. Yun, happy birthday.
Adam.
Yeah, so thank you so much sa first one.
Yan. Okay, Kuya, come here.
Hi, Kuya.
Okay, si Kuya. Ito po. Sabi ng isang babae, so we call on Tita May Castillo. And to complete for the 7 toys, Tita Gami Avena. Yes, love. Okay, dito po tayo, no? So, bago po tayo mag-group picture, no? Mga titos, titas. So, meron lang po akong konting talong dun sa message nyo para sa kanya, no? Sa tingin ninyo, bakit yun po yung ibinigay niyong toys para po sa ating birthday celebrant at bakit?
Kasi yun yung request na sa akin.
Yung may request pala.
Yung sa akin, birthday kasi. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. And continue to be a blessing to your sisters and to your parents. Yun lang.
From Tito Lolos, yung binigay niya magagamit sa school, tas may konting kaartehan na gusto ni A. Yun. Make up! Hey, Era, happy birthday! And laging makikinig kay mommy and daddy and sa mga ate. Ayan. Happy birthday! Yung gift ko kay Era, money. Kasi sabi ko kay Era, siya na pumili ng gusto niya. Ayun, Era, happy birthday. Continue loving your family and be a good daughter always. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday. Yung gift ni Tito Larry sa'yo, yung dagdag collection mo. Tapos yun. I'm excited to see your, ate mo kasi magagaling na sa instruments. Kaya nakikita ko din siya kung di singing or yan, may unlock mo kayo achievements niya. Thank you.
Yung gift ko, nakalimutan ko kung ano laman. Kasi dalawa yan eh, so hindi ko alam kung yan yung toy na pang family or yung isa na nandun na pang creative. Kasi pang Christmas yung isa. Ang happy birthday, Margo. Ayaw na nyo ng A, diba? Margo na daw. Ayun, mabilis yung time, enjoy being kid, enjoy just having fun, and we pray that you will grow favored, and we know that you will be a blessing to others.
Happy birthday, A. So, yung gift ko is suggestion ng mami mo. Tapos, ang wish ko sa'yo is maging mabait ka sa nabata na anak at kagalit sa mga ate mo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, ang gift ko. Alam ko magugustuhan mo yan kasi mahilig ka magputing-ting, so mag-experiment. Ayan, sana matuwa ka. And ang wish ko, sana palaging maging masaya at lumaking malusog. Happy birthday.
Birthday message niya para po sa ating birthday celebrant.
Birthday. So, wish ko lang is maging healthy ka and no more iyak-iyak moments na. Tapos, laging happy lang mag-play with the kuyas and ate. I love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Wish ni tita na mag-study ng maayos, mag-aral araw-araw, at maging very good kay mami at daddy.
Hi Margo. Ang wish ko, ako na to. Mag-aral ng mabuti and gawin mo ang magpapasaya. Eh, happy birthday! Sa asawa ko, wala namang ginagawa.
Happy birthday, A. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana mas maging mabait ka habang natanda ka and sana hindi mo makalimutan si Lord habang natanda ka.
Hi, A. Patay mo. Sana maging mabait ka paglaki mo. Tapos, kung kailangan nyo lang ng mapupuntahan, kung nakali sa condo, ganyan. Ayun lang. Sana maging ikaw.
Nasabi na nila lahat. Love ko lang ni Tita Eva at ikaw lang ang aking baby girl. Yan.
Sama ka na. May bluetooth ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Margo. Sabi na lahat, so I know we will be guided well naman sa nila papa mo, magdal ka lola. So I should say na congrats na lang sa parents and sa mga grandparents. Happy birthday.
Okay, next po.
Hi, wish ko lang sana maging maging mabuti kang anak sa mga parents mo. Nandito lang kami mga nino para gabayan mo. Yun lang.
Okay, next po. Birthday. Okay, maging mabuting bata ka paglaki mo. Maging blessing ka sa iba. Birthday. Okay, next po.
Birthday! Good girl, study hard.
May isa tayong proxy. Tita Jen.
Tita Jen.
Oo.
Sa 7 bills pa rin.
Oo, 7 bills.
Ay, wifi. Okay na po ulit.
Yung high lang po yung narinig ko.
Happy birthday.
ulit?
Yung kay Tito Will, ito yung anak niya.
Si
Justin. Kuya Justin.
Kuya Justin.
Happy birthday to sabi ni Daddy. Mag-aral ka daw mabuti, sabi niya. Mahal na mahal ka raw niya. Happy birthday daw ulit.
Daw Okay na po, tapos na dyan. Okay, let's start for the 7 roses. Next artist will receive the 7 beautiful roses as a symbol of love from her cousin, starting with Miranda. And followed by Kia Miranda. Next, Lucio Rafi. And followed by Clyde Lomberio. Turn to the last for the 7 roses, Pyra Lomberio. And second to the last for the 7 roses, Yuri Miranda. And to complete for the 7 roses, Israel Miranda. Tinakbo pa. Okay, now once again, thank you so much for all participants for the 7 roses. Okay, group picture tayo.